Hi, I'm Scott Myers, Territory Manager for the Oil Gear Company. I'd like to take a moment to introduce you to the XD5 pump. Let's start with this short video. As the video shows, you set the bar, the XD5 sets the standard. Here we show you that at 350 bar, this pump has a throughput of 189 horsepower. Let's look at a few points to show you what makes that possible. Pound per pound, that XD5 100 is the most power dense and dimensionally smallest pump on the market in its class. The amount of flow at 2,450 RPM that's available is unequaled in the industry. So let's take a look at the oil gear technology that makes this possible. Our proprietary hardened running surfaces provides a pump that is able to run on all sorts of exotic fluids at higher contamination levels than our competition. We use no non-ferrous parts on the running surfaces in our pumps. That, in combination with a hydrodynamic bearing, allows it to float on a cushion of oil and not be ground up by contamination within the pump. Our shaft bearing is a totally sealed device, never sees the system fluid, again allowing for that great contamination tolerance. So looking at this technology inside, here you can see you have the hard technology of the valve plate in the rear, married to a rugged cylinders design and hardened steel shoes that run on a swash plate. The SAE heavy-duty shaft sits on an isolated bearing that is not in contact with the fluid. The three-way direct-acting control valve comes standard with pressure compensation, can be changed in the field or ordered from the factory as load sense. It's included on all pumps. This allows you to then run remote pressure control and various remote controls with just a standard basic offering. We do have other controls that will be available very soon. Let's take a look at a chart that you can find available in our sales literature, and I suggest you take a look at that at your earliest convenience. This shows you what your performance is of the pump compared to your particular input and output needs with just a simple glance. Very useful for applying this pump. Our pump, as we talked about, is very power dense. We came up with a chart that shows that relationship to our competition. The blue dots on this chart show that the power density level of our pump is 32% higher than our closest competitor. Again, look at the sales literature, and this will show you the details of how this can apply to your machines to be able to fit more horsepower in a tighter package. The XD5 100cc pump is shown in gold here, which is the current model released. 4 more displacements will be available from 48 to 150cc being released later this year and early into 2022. These pumps will be available with the same horsepower dense configurations, all available in a 5-week lead time. For more information, go to oilgear.com and click on where to buy to find your source for these pumps and more information. Thank you.